Hi friends, welcome back to the Daughter Raw. This is Julianne here, and today I will be making a kale green juice that actually tastes nice. The ingredients I will be using will be 3 carrots, 1 lemon, 1 apple, and a nice handful of freshly picked kale from my garden. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Remember to give this video a like and leave me some comments. All right, shall we? It's important to me to make a green juice that actually tastes nice, so you really need the apple and the lemon to flavor it up a bit. Greens are really great for muscle repair, so it's a great post-workout drink which will really aid your recovery. I'm using a slow juicer. It's quite good, it's not overly loud. Slow juices are the way to go because they preserve the electromagnetic energy of the food that you're juicing. This is precious life force energy, so naturally you don't want to destroy it as you would with a fast juicer. So it's too easy really, just pop all of the ingredients in. Obviously I've chopped up the apple and the carrots and the lemon to fit, and voila! We have a yummy, easy to drink green juice with all of its energy intact and ready to nourish our bodies. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to give this video a subscribe, turn on your notifications, and a thumbs up and a comment. Oh my goodness, there's so much to do. Check Daughter Raw out on other social media platforms too. For now, it's goodbye, and I'll catch you all very soon. In the meantime, I wish you all peace, joy, and true health. Bye.